This is Future Jamil telling you before you watch this video that I struggle in that maze from 6:50 to 16:36 without this 30-second segment. So, given that I'm going to stop it as soon as 30 seconds hit, that's going to be 7:20 to 17:06. So remember to skip if you do not want to see me stumble around like an idiot for 10 minutes, because that's what you're going to see if you don't. Well, enjoy the video. I think you know what time it is. It's time to rock and roll into a nice, heated, extravagant, soul-stirring, action-packed gym battle. Today, we are going to be challenging the Junopsis City Pokemon Gym. And I'm telling you, right here now, we're gonna win. We're gonna get in there and destroy whoever in the world the gym leader is. I don't care who it is, but I have a feeling that she's gonna look like Violet. I don't even know if it's a girl, but I have a feeling that it's that girl who looks just like Violet's overworld character who was standing in front of the gym. I have a feeling. Or it might just be Violet. I don't even know. It might just be Violet. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So if you guys are ready, then spuds up. Let's do this. Jesus Christ, Jamil. There. What the heck is happening? Jamil, what the heck? Jesus Christ, okay. Just ignore that. That didn't happen. Okay. Spuds up, let's go. Volume on, booyah. Just got my Pokemon healed all up. Let's take a look at the squad. I haven't actually done that much training. Well, it took a while, but, you know, just a regular amount of training. We got Ami. Nice. Decent stats. Obviously, a speedy physical attacker. Guts. Glide, Peck, Double Team, Quick Attack. Level 17. Then we got Wind. Our level 17 Leaf Frond with a rash nature. Good, because it raises special attack. Overgrow. Razor Leaf Growth, Absorb, Gust. You know how it is. Holy crap. This thing actually has hands. Look at that. He has hands and he's holding on to... I never noticed that. Wow. The things you actually notice when you pay attention. Alright. So yeah, we're all healed up and... Hold up, let me check my bag. Do I have good stuff? Ooh, potions. I've got a lot of potions. Not so many, not so much of anything else. Yeah, let's hit that Pokemart up real quick. Because once I enter that gym, I don't want to come back out. That's a waste of time to me. I don't want to walk on in just so I can walk on out and come all the way to the Pokemon Center. May as well buy some stuff that I might need. Just grab 2 more of those, because I need at least 3. At least 3. If I walk in there with any less than 3, I'm just a chump. Alright, thank you, my good man. Junopsis City. My man, prepare to be impressed, you little stinker.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's you. I just got word over my Pokénav. I'm surprised you managed to win against the Winstreet siblings. Well, as promised, I'll get out of the way.
I knew it. I knew she was gonna walk straight in there, and then she's just gonna walk up to the stage and be like,
Haha, are you surprised that I'm the gym leader?
no, I'm not. Hey yo, how's it going? Do you want to dream big? Do you dare to dream of becoming the Pokemon champion? I heard from my cousin that you're Hoen's champion already. Do you want to become Toho's champion as well?
Heck yeah, boy.
You're determined. Let's get happening. The gym leader, Annette. Her name is Annette. Interesting. Uses bug types. Using fly and a fire type moves will give you the advantage. Well then, go for it. Well, I've got a grass type with Gust, and I've got a bird, so... I did not freaking expect that. Jesus Christ. I am actually surprised by that. I thought you would be the leader, but okay.
Ooh, surprised? I was actually a trainer in this gym. Well then, let's have an ordinary...
You're not gonna say let's have an amazing battle, or let's have a fun battle, or a good game. Just, let's have an ordinary battle. An ordinary... Fine. Let's have a basic, simple battle. Iris. For a girl named Iris, you're really boring. Alright, let's do this. Glide. Glide. Knock that thing out. We're done. It survives. Wow. On the bright side, Ami's accuracy rose, but I am honestly dumbfounded. I didn't expect that thing to actually survive that hit. I mean, it used an Oranberry, though, so I can at least hit it one more time. I'll just use Glide again, because I've got the PP. It's no issue. I'm just a bit surprised, that's all. Like, wow. I mean, Pineco is a defensive tank. That's what it's for. It's a stronghold. It's a wall.
Huh? I lost?
I beat the Windstreet siblings 1-on-1-on-1. With their all in all 8 Pokemon against my 2. They had 8 Pokemon against my 2. You have 1 Pineco. I'm surprised they didn't use self-destruct.
I had no idea just how strong you really were. You might be able to win.
I'm pretty sure Annette has more than just a stinking pine. This girl's dumb. What the heck just happened? Excuse me, what the heck was that? Nah, son. I didn't know these flowers were gonna throw me into the air. Hey, Winds, you better get up here and get some experience too. You're my starter after all. Hey. You're the only trainer here? Fine. What the heck is happening? I'm missing something here. I have to be missing something here. Okay, that sends you there. This sends me back here. And this sends me where? It sends me right here. So if I go over here one more time, will it send me down there? No, it'll send me to the opposite side. And then I can go over here, and it'll send me over here. If I go down here, then it'll send me here. Can you tell that I'm a bit lost? How about I go here? Okay, I'm just gonna be stuck right there again. So I go to the left, and then I go to the left, and then I go to the, and then I go to the right, and then I go to the left. Goodness. Then I go to the left. Then I go to the left. Oh, I think I get it now. Yeah, it wants me to go in a straight line. Okay, so that was wrong. Okay. Okay. Jesus Christ, how do I do this? I'm genuinely lost. I have no idea what I'm doing. Tell me how to freaking do this. Please tell me how to do this. I beg of you. What is this, some kind of puzzle? Okay. Okay. I assume this is the restart. So, whatever I do, I'm starting over from right here. I've already wasted 10 minutes trying to do this. Start out right here. I'm gonna start off going right. If I go right, it sends me to the left. If I go, how about I do this? What the heck just happened? I'm gonna go to the left. I'm gonna go to the left again. Gonna go to the left. Going to the left. Okay, so that was wrong. Go to the right. It wants me to go to the right. Now what if I just go right back down here? Okay, that's basically saying no. What if I try it one more time? Okay, that's a no. From here, I probably have to go all the way over here. And now I started over again. Okay, I definitely start right here. I at least know that much. Then from going there, it wants me to come here, during which it'll send me up there. So I can step on this, and it'll send me down where I go left, and then I go left again, Okay, see? When I make the right choice, it makes that little beeping sound. And I messed up. See, I just started over again. Excuse me, what? How the heck was I supposed to know that? How in the world was I ever supposed to figure that out? You're freaking kidding me. You are full of crap. You are full of crap. Okay, I assume that the one that actually takes me to her is the middle one, obviously. What the heck? Okay, that beep says that I did good. And I didn't get the beep again. I don't have either of those. Okay. I don't get it. I do not understand. I actually do not freaking understand. What do I do? Help. Help me. Somebody freaking help me. Do I have to leave? I'm leaving. I'm gonna come back in and try one more time. Okay, is the girl out of the way now? No, she's still standing there. See, I got that one right, because it gave me a beep. But I got it wrong that time. Okay, so that was correct. Finally!
Welcome. My name's Annette. I'm Junopsis City's gym leader. I love bug Pokemon, and... Is that really that strange? I always hear from people, that's weird, or that's gross. But underestimate the bug type, and you'll suffer the consequences. Well then, let's begin. You won't stand a chance in battle against the bug-catching expert, Annette.
Hold up.
17 minutes in, and I'm just now...
Oh my lord. I can't... Am I gonna cut that out? Nah. I'll just let you guys watch me suffer. Please, Wins, you have to take this thing out in one hit. Are you freaking kidding me? Spikes. Are you saying that I can't take out your entire team with this one Pokemon? Because if you are, you're delusional. You used a potion on a pine... Bro, it's still gonna die. It's not full health, that means it's gonna die anyway. Annette, what are you doing? What are you doing? You saw how much damage that Gus did. Come on, girl, you gotta use your brain. It's cool, I guess. Roller. The heck is that? Nah. I mean, I can't change. Well, I can, but it'll hurt. She put down spikes. Excuse me, what the heck is that thing? It's a bug type. But it might also be a rock type, I don't quite know. Should I just go ahead and use Razor Leaf? I'll see if Gust is neutral first. Gust is neutral, that means Razor Leaf would be Excuse me. No, we're not doing that. No. I appreciate... Oh wait, he's a flying type, so he can't be hit by those dumb spikes, because he's freaking flying. Jamil, you idiot. Whatever. Just kill this thing. Oh. You can't kill it, because its defense is too high. No! Are you freaking kidding me? That's my baby.
You killed my baby, you son of... Okay. Nah, son. We gotta fight now. There's no way I'm letting you get away with that. You killed my freaking baby. You're gonna die now. He may not have been my ace, but he was the only other Pokemon on the stinking team. Send out your freaking ace. Let's rock, baby. We're finishing this. There's no way. Ugh. Dang it. Nah. Annette, don't even try. There's no way that I'm not letting you get away with this. You killed my bird. My favorite stinking bird in the whole world, and you killed it. I need a critical hit. We're never gonna be as slow as that thing anyway. Good. Give me a crit. Give me a crit. Give me a crit. I want to be done with this. Man, raising your attack and defense ain't gonna do crap. Okay, it's gonna make your rock tombs a little bit stronger, but for what? Oh my lord, it better not have a citrus berry. You know what? We're setting up. We're setting up. There's no way in heck. There is no way in heck. You better miss. Good. Shuckle, we're never gonna be as slow as you, so it doesn't matter what the heck you do. You're still gonna suck. Jesus Christ, that did 8 damage. I get that curse was a good move, but jeez. Great, now I can live a crit, but no matter what, I have to heal. You're kidding me, man. I cannot believe I lost my ace. I mean, I cannot believe I lost my bird. I can live another crit, it's cool. I'm not wasting potions on this dumb thing. I cannot live a crit, but I know that I'm still not as slow as a Shuckle. Good. I shouldn't have been so reckless, to be honest, but I'm mad. I'm mad. No, shut up. Sorry. I just honestly didn't even consider the thought that you could be that strong. Since I lost, here you go. I'll give you the official Pokemon League Elnath badge. Yeah, that's wonderful. I have 1 Pokemon on my team now. Yay. You can have this as well. That doesn't help me. That's Rock Tomb, isn't it? Something that doesn't even help me. Signal. When the heck did you use Signal Beam? Why would you give me something that you don't even... Okay. Is this Holly? No, it's Mossmoro. Oh dear, I heard it from my wife. I heard that there was a big sale on turnips at turnips on the nearby grocery store, so I ran here. Hey, it's me, the Moss. Oh, that badge. What I see. Could it be? You've already earned the Elnath badge. How quickly, how skillfully, how easy. It was not easy, Mossmoro. Don't trip, okay?
You could win it! You have won it! If I beat that gym, maybe my marriage would... Yo, Masmero, do we need to talk? You okay, buddy? Oh, incoming Pokenav transmission! The Masmero show will be right back after these messages. Hey. Ah, hello. Hey man, how have you been? You know, the standard emotional fatigue that plagues us all. I have no idea what that's supposed to mean. Then again, I never understand you. Because you're gone, they brought me in as a substitute, Elite 4 member. I think it's good for me. Well, hey, it's me, the original MOS of the original Moss of the Elite 4. Well, bye then. Alright. Oh, right, and come home soon. Romero. Oh, is that your husband, bro? In a way, you could call that a prank call, or at least a prankster call. It's got me all pumped up. Before I forget my excitement, I ought to leave. Hey, it was me, the Moss. The name's Romero, and they live together, so they're probably married. Or at least in a relationship. They're either married or shacking up. Either way, they're together. They could also be his roommate, but... I mean, they seem a little bit too old to be having roommates. Then again, two adults can live together. Just be friends. Not very common, but hey, it can happen. Yeah. No problem, Nurse Joy. Thank you. Well, we lost Ami, and now we only have wins. I mean, his name suits him at least, but it's definitely a struggle. I didn't expect it. I didn't see it coming. I saw a Pokemon that I didn't know. I suspected that it might be a bug and rock type. I really thought that it would be. But I didn't think to switch. And I paid the price for it. I mean, as soon as I saw it, I thought, hey, that's probably a bug and rock type. But I didn't imagine it just killing my bird in one hit. So 5 levels away from evolution, and now we'll never get to see it. In any case, we still got that... What was that badge called? Hold up, what was that badge called? Elnath badge, there we go. And, yeah, that's pretty cool. We've made some progress. That's just fine. That is just fine. So I'm ready to hit the road. In any case, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And this potato's out. Peace.